Palco House by Cecchi Millan in Maraú, Brazil. Palco House, designed for a young artist, is located on Algodões Beach, Maraú, BA. The 70 square meters pavilion is a functional architectural solution that houses 2 suites and a living room with an integrated kitchen. The linear layout of the spaces allows for an opening to the surrounding view and vegetation, with the integration of nature. The landscape is reinforced by large openings, which also allow for natural cross-ventilation and lighting. The deck perpendicular to the main volume extends the usable area of the spaces. The pavilion's structure is combined with the simplicity of the chosen materials, which harmoniously integrate with the environment. The elevated house adds lightness and permeability to the construction.